Hi guys, good afternoon. So basically, I just received my package from Lazada. So this is my second purchase for a CCTV camera. Before I purchased uh, Xiaomi Emilove House Security Camera Basic. So this one, the one I bought, is a different model. So this one is more cheaper, more affordable compared with the one I bought before, because the first two camera I bought before, it cost me around 1,499 each. At yon. So this two cam. Currently, I already installed the two camera, one in front of the house and one in our living room. So I decided to buy three more from the same seller because they are so reliable. All the brand, the brand that they cater are all original. Hindi siya fake. Tsaka the seller, definitely they will help you out if you encounter any problems. So I decided to buy again with the same seller but a different model. So right now I bought the Xiaomi, this one. It's a Chinese version. So basically, if I set it up, I will use location, China as the main location. So this model is 107, if I'm not mistaken, it's 170-degree angle camera. Unlike this one, this is a 90-degree angle. However, the good thing with this model is it's a 360-degree rotational. So umiikot yung camera nito, 360. Pero ang viewing niya is 90-degree lang. So this one, ano lang to, steady. So hindi siya nagro-rotate. So ano siya, hindi siya yung unlike yung the first two camera I bought na pwede mo siyang i-remote. Even using your cell phone, you can remote it to the left, to the right, or you can rotate the whole camera 360. So this one is more cheaper. Pero 170-degree naman yung angle ng camera niya. Ano rin siya, with night vision, clear din ang almost same yung features. Ang difference lang is fix ito. Pero okay na rin kasi the price is, I believe I bought it for 199 pesos each. So yung tatlo ko is around 2,800 plus the discount kasi second purchase ko na to sa same supplier. So nakuha ko siya ng 2,800 lahat-lahat yung tatlo. So isipin mo, 3 camera na siya, 2,800 lang. Unlike this 2, I bought it for 3,000 pesos for 2 camera. So let's check now what's inside the box. Let's open what's inside the camera. So basically, first view yung cam itself. So this one is a magnetized cam. So yung base niya is magnet like that. So you just have to stick it in a metal. Then after that, you can just fix where you wanted to take your video. So I'm planning to put it one at the backyard, one near the kitchen, and one in my living room. Not in the living room, but I mean in my bedroom. So also, with the good thing with the brand, Xiaomi brand, you can connect it through your phone. Kahit ilang camera pa yan. So basically now I have 5. I will install 5 in my Xiaomi app. Yung application that I'm using is a Mijia application. So lahat ng Xiaomi model and Xiaomi electronics, you can connect it there. Last time I bought two Xiaomi Wi-Fi amplifier. Kinonect ko rin siya sa Mijia application. So Yun isa sa mga magandang features ng Xiaomi. Now, let's check what's inside the box for this cam. So, eto pa. This model has its own charger. Unlike the first model, this one, the first cam that I bought, it doesn't have or it doesn't include any charger. So, you have to buy a spare charger. So, it will cost you, it's another cost on your side. Unlike this model, meron na siyang free charger. So, yun. So, hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng tatlong charger kasi lahat to meron na. So, I have one charger here and the connector itself. I believe this is a 2-meter wire. If not 2, it's 3-meter. And then, what else inside the box? So meron siyang mirror. Wow. Hindi ko lang siya makuha. This one. So, meron siyang mirror. I don't know what is this. But later on, I will check kung ano yung purpose niya. So, yan po. Then, we have the manual. It's a Chinese version manual. But don't worry. User-friendly yung mga model ng Xiaomi, so it's so easy to install, believe me, kasi in the first time I installed my first 2 camera, I didn't get any problem. There's a glitch with the Wi-Fi, but the seller is so good, they helped me out how to install it, and then it was fixed. So here we go. Then I think there's a missing here. Yeah. So, yep. Camera. Ayun. The barcode. So, yung barcode is very important. Kasi kapag i-install mo siya, you have to use this barcode. So, we have the charger. Okay. And cord. Then, yung house niya o yung key, yung magiging magnet niya, base ng camera. Yeah. And also, you need to buy a memory card for this kind of camera. So, magsisave yung video niya sa memory card. So, every time you want to review your camera, you will be able to review all the videos for the past 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the size of the memory card that you're gonna buy. So currently, I already bought 3 memory card, 64 GB each. So binili ko rin siya sa Lazada. Kasi sa Lazada, to be honest with you, there are people who are afraid to buy items in Lazada. They're skeptical. Maybe it's a broken item or maybe the item you're gonna buy is not working. You don't have to worry, especially if you have a very good supplier. Definitely, you can ask a replacement for the item. Kasi I had an experience before with those kind of cases na the item doesn't work or there's a problem or there's a damage on the item itself. So I normally ask for a refund or a replacement of the item, then napapalitan naman. Hindi naman naging issue sa akin yung pag-change ng item from Lazada. Kasi one good tip I can give you guys is you have to check the comments, especially yung purchase na or yung number of star the customer already posted with the item that they bought or the item that they receive. Kasi ako, almost everything that I use, either electronics or some gadgets or tools, power tool, sometimes, I normally buy it in Lazada. And I never had any problem. So, nasa pagpili mo rin ng supplier. So, you have to check the seller itself. You have to make sure it's a Lazada certified seller. you have to check also the warranties, because there are the items that normally they will post it on the Lazada. However, there's no warranty, or a 7-day return or a 15-day return of the item if the item doesn't work. So you have to check those things. So yun ang mga tips na pwede kong i-share sa inyo. Now, I also bought a memory card from Lazada here. So, actually, the memory card, ang mura niya sa Lazada eh. Because this one, I think, per memory card, it only cost me around 350. So, isipin mo, just imagine, it's 350 pesos for a 64 GB memory card. 64 GB memory card. So, I bought 3 different memory card to use for my camera. Now, all of these memory card are original. Because I already bought 2 of this for my 2 camera before, and those memory card are perfectly working. They're good. So, kasi nung nag-canvas ako sa mga direct seller outside, sa mga internet shops, computer shops, o sa mga electronic shops, ang mahal. Grabe, 64 GB, roughly around 800, something like that. 600, 700. Meron pa nga ako nakita, around 1,100, just a 64 GB memory card. Ang mahal niya. Sa bagay, original naman din yon. However, it's too pricey. Masyadong mahal ang benta sa labas. Unlike if you're gonna buy it online, especially if the seller is the manufacturer of the item, or the manufacturer of the memory card, of course they will give it to you an affordable price. Sometimes there are discounts. So for me, it's so cheap to buy it online. And if it's work perfectly with your phone or with your CCTV camera, 'di ba? Hindi na siya hindi na masama. And these are all brand new and original. So guys, later on I will fix this one by one, and I will check if they're all working perfectly. So I will add this video, my second video, kapag nag-work na yung camera. Sa second video ko na lang siya i-upload together with the first 2 camera that I bought. So the first 2 camera I bought already, and it's already installed, and they're working perfectly. The video is so clear, guys. Sobrang linaw ng camera niya. So I recommend this product really, the Xiaomi brand. So ngayon, I heard Xiaomi is expanding with more different electronic items, some kitchenware item. Very reliable. I'm not saying na nabili nyo guys, no, kasi it's a Chinese product, to be honest with you. Even iPhone, okay, fine, it's China, it's Chinese. However, iPhone, di ba? Brand, napakagandang brand. But it is manufactured in China. So halos lahat naman ng item is from China. So why not try? If Xiaomi is made from India, of course, magandang option yon to buy it because it's from India. Wala tayong choice. Wala naman tayong manufacturing company like Xiaomi here in the Philippines to buy it here in the Philippines, diba? Sabi nga, tangkilikin yung sariling atin. However, wala tayo namang ganitong klaseng mga company, ganitong klaseng kakayahan para magkaroon ng mass productions ng mga ganitong electronics. So, sa ngayon, we can use it because it's so good. Quality is so good. The price is reasonable, affordable talaga. So, I recommend you guys to use Xiaomi brand. Sige po. Thank you for watching this video. My next vlog, siguro i-upload ko doon yung videos and photos, tsaka pictures for night visions din, ipapakita ko doon kung gaano siya ka-clear. Kasi nung chinek ko, sobrang linaw niya. So, thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.